Hello, and welcome to GodCube. Today, for the first time ever, I am going to solve a Rubik's Cube on fire. My name is Laurie God. Let's do this. So, here I have my scrambled cube, and the first thing to do is to set it on fire. Now to do this, I'm going to use my secret talent that not many people know. It turns out that I can actually breathe fire. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's lit and it's already really hot. Okay, so let's get solving. Ooh. Oh, done. Okay, now I need to extinguish this. Oh, that feels so much better. Still a bit of residual heat, but much, much better. Oh, I just solved a Rubik's Cube on fire. I'm GodCube. Thank you for watching.